Hello guys, in this part of Microsoft Word feature, I will show you how to create table of content. First, you have to create a document as I have and define the headings. As you can see, I divided headings into three styles. There are blue headings, which are the heading 1, heading 2 are the green headings, and heading 3 are the orange headings. As you can see in my document. To see if the headings are correct, you can click View and click on Navigation pane. And as you can see, there are Show all my headings, and when I click on it, I will be navigated directly to the heading. Now, we want to create the content, table of content. So, click on References. In References, click Table of Content. If you have your heading correctly, as are shown here, when you click Create Table of Content, as you can see, my table of content was created same as it in the navigation, and my headings names are the same as are the heading names of my partitions in my document, and they are even at the same distance. Now, if you want to create new heading, just create heading, click heading 1, 2, 3, and this should be added into this layout. So let's create like heading, just click the title, heading, and now I have my subheading. As you can see, this is generated, so I have to update my table. And as you can see, my subheading was added to my table as well. In references, you can also create the custom headings. Because as you can see, there is a lot of style, but when you create custom table, you can define styles of your headings. First, you can define how the numbers will be shown, this or this. So let's go with this. And to modify the heading size, you will go to Modify, create on the heading, modify the body, let's say the Arial, and 14 and B. So I modify the heading at the first level. When I click OK, as you can see in preview, my heading at the first level is modified. Now when I click OK, my headings are here, and they are modified as I define them according to my new content. So basically, guys, this is everything how you can do with your table of content. You can also update the table through here, and if you have any question, you can write the comments, and we will see in next video. So bye guys.